Hello everybody. Today we are going to see one more session for Odoo websites where we will see one more feature which is Odoo blogs. So when you install the blogs module on the backend as well as front end, you will be able to see the blogs window. On the Odoo website, you can see that there is a new menu which has been created called blog, and depending on if you have enabled the demo data, some of the blog entries would be created like this. Now you have a lot of features to modify this blog window where you will be able to design your blog. An example here is so you have these features here. Do you want to show the name of the author? Do you want to allow the comments and view stats? As soon as I click on any feature, the system will refresh. Do you want to show card designs, cover, list view, sidebar, top banner, full width cover? All possible features are available here. Okay. As soon as you click on any particular feature, the system refreshes itself and shows the entry altogether. Now I have enabled the sidebar. On the right hand side, you will see a small text which you can modify. All your archives and tags are available here, and these blog entries are available. In order to create new blog entry, I can click on new and I will get an option to create a new blog. It will ask me to choose a particular blog, so I can have multiple blogs. There's a blog post title I can put, subtitle, I can upload an image from here, and so on. I'll show you a confirmed entry which will give us an idea of the record. An example of blog entry is this. When we click on edit, it gives us a lot of features to modify the title, the background, then there's a first heading, and then we can go inside the text and see the further details. At the bottom, you have options to apply multiple blocks or images, numbers, pictures, columns. So there are a lot of features which are available in addition to the basic text, and you have other options in terms of choosing the title. Do you want to keep padding size, font size, and innumerable features are available here to modify and design your blog accordingly. Now this blogs can also be maintained briefly from the backend, where each blog entry which is created, its blog selection can be done from the backend. Title selection, subtitle, tags, author name, publishing date, contribution, and updated on is updated. Please note that you are not able to modify the content from the backend. It can only be done from the front end. That's all for this session. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.